Okay, so I had a customer bring this in. His complaint was he had a code E237. What he didn't realize is he also had a code E337. And what those codes are is these spindle motors getting too warm. And when this came in, this was all packed with grass, especially down in here. I'll put a picture up in the top corner so you can see what it was before. I just took compressed air and blew everything out real good, and then I test ran the machine for half an hour and did not get any code return. So I'll try to run it some more just to see what happens, see if I get the code to come back, but I think that pretty much took care of it, and we'll go from there. Alright, like the video and subscribe. Thanks.